guys. I'm Harley.
I'm Livia.
And we're going to be singing Payphone by Maroon 5. Hope you guys like it.
Starting off.
She's going to start it off. Here we go.
1, 2, 3. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it. Well, it's too late to try. All the time that we wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my life. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But deep in the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where have the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I'd be said. Now I'm at a payphone. Thank you guys for watching. And that's our brother May on the window.
Look at that.
And we wrote.
Harley and Livia were here.
Love you guys.